The young businessman sent lots of text messages on his mobile phone. The man sent some pictures to his friends on his smartphone. My dad sent me money when I was living abroad. The driver sent an SMS text message while he was driving the car. The woman sent a letter to her friend by posting it in a mailbox. The boyfriend sent a good-night kiss to his girlfriend. The internet company sent the customer an online gift. The business uploaded and sent a document to one of his colleagues. The businessman sent out letters to his business network. The delivery company sent and delivered the package to the customer's address. The delivery company sent the parcel to the customer and the customer signed for it. The businesswoman sent out text messages to tell everyone about her bright idea. The young man sent a voice message to his girlfriend. The woman sent the wrong email to one of her colleagues and she is really worried about it. She doesn't want her colleague to see it. The young woman sent a kiss into the phone. The woman sent out an email on her laptop computer. The employee sent a resignation letter to his boss. The man sent his CV to the company hoping to get a job. The young woman sent an email to her friend abroad. The man sent a funny and romantic text message to his girlfriend. The man sent a short text message to remind his friend about the meeting. The man sent a text message to his wife to tell her that he had arrived at the airport. The manager sent an email to his staff. The man sent the email through his mobile phone. The woman sent a romantic message through her mobile phone to her boyfriend. The man sent a surprise present to his girlfriend. The woman sent you a big kiss. The businessman sent an encrypted email to protect the contents of the email. The woman sent out lots of emails on her smartphone. The marketing company sent out a newsletter to their clients. The man sent out a Merry Christmas message to everyone. The man sent a letter by post by putting it into the post box. The referee sent off the footballer for a dangerous tackle.